A high-efficiency furnace operates at above 83% efficiency. It has two heat exchangers and vents through plastic PVC or CPVC vent material. It can draw combustion air either directly from outside or from inside the home. Depending on which model you choose, you can also save money on the amount of electricity used to operate the furnace. This means saving money on fuel and electricity. An older furnace operating at 80% efficiency wastes about 20 cents of every dollar spent on heating. A new high-efficiency furnace will waste 10 cents or less.